Anybody else who wants to say something? Marge? Roderick?
Last Friday night, Mike asked me if I was going to roast the rabbi tonight, and I replied that the only roast I'd ever done was one I'd put in the oven. But then I thought I would try. First of all, Paul, I want to know how many couples you have married and predestined them to have a child on your birthday. That's what has happened in my family this week. But my memories of you, I'm sure, go back further probably than anybody in the room tonight. You tutored my grandchildren for their B'nai Mitzvahs, and then after my becoming a para-rabbinic, I soon became the tutor for all the B'nai Mitzvah families for their rehearsals while you were still in class. Your allowing me to do those probably caused me to attend more ceremonies than any other clergy. I thought it over at one time and figured I attended at least 500. And I think that's probably a record. And then I remember when you were getting ready to retire from B'nai Yehuda, my step-grandson wrote you a letter that you said was so sweet you could only read a little bit of it at a time. So by now, you're well done, and that's my roast.